How to fix LinkedIn persona verification not working. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can fix that the persona verification is not working or is not showing of one of the options on your LinkedIn account. Now the very main thing that you want to have to do is to access Play Store or any app store that you use to download the LinkedIn application. This is just to ensure that you're currently using the latest version of the application, just like this one. You just have to choose an update first so that you will have the persona verification feature or option on LinkedIn. Next thing you want to do for additional information on accessing your persona verification is to go into your profile and then choose this option that says add verification badge. This is basically where you can use the persona verification feature, which is going to be here, verify with persona. However, if it's not showing on your end, then what you want to have to do is to clear cache directly from the app on your phone. Tap and hold on the icon of LinkedIn and then access app info, go into storage, and simply choose on clear data and clear cache. This will refresh the whole application itself, and you just need to try it again and see if it works. And that's how you fix LinkedIn persona verification not working.